Adults can donate their body to medical college or medical science through a process called whole body donation, which must be arranged directly with the authorized medical school or medical college or a specialized donation program. The process varies significantly by the location but follows the same general steps. That is, a direct contact is must. You must contact a local medical university or a medical college so that department or a licensed non-profit tissue bank. Informed consent is must. You must fill out and sign a form, a specific legal binding consent form, because the witness signature is must on this form. Most programs require your signature to be verified by a notary public or at least one witness. Family notification. You must inform your family of your decision so they know who can they call immediately upon your death. That we call as a family notification. So your family must knowing after death where to call. Timely transport. The receiving medical institution must take possession of the body within 24 to 48 hours after death. Even if you sign up medical school, can reject the body at the time after death for a specific medical reason or the logical reasons. The body can be rejected after death. There are some of the reasons like infection disease, active conditions like the HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, tuberculosis or severe viral infections, severe trauma, major damage from the car accidents, violent trauma or extensive internal surgeries. Postmortem. To determine the cause of death, the body can no longer be accepted. Extreme weight, severe obesity or extreme emaciation can make the embalming process and the preparation process impossible. That is why extreme weight persons are not allowed in. Some programs allows both. Donating major organs for transplant usually disqualifies you. You can't donate your organs after death because while some programs allows both organ donation and the body donation, but all doesn't allow. You can't donate your organs before death. Either you have to donate your whole body or you can donate your organs. You can do only one. While some programs allow both, donating major organs for transplant usually disqualifies you from the whole body transplant or the donation. These are some of the reasons or the common reasons so that after death body can be rejected. Now, what happens afterwards? There is a study period on your bodies. Medical school or the medical colleges typically keep and study the body for anywhere from 1 to 3 years. Final disposition. Once studies are completed, the institution or the colleges covers the cost of respectful cremation. The bodies are not handed over to you. It depends upon the program or the institution whether the body is handed over to you or they can discard the bodies with a respectful way. Return of the ashes. The program will return the cremated remains to your family if requested or bury them in a dedicated university or the college. If you like the information, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a daily notification on this channel. And also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. You must inform your family of your decision so they know who can they call immediately upon your death. That is we call it as a family notification or a family concern or family witness we call it as.